In this video, I will show you how to master the Pieces AI tool. To get started, you first need to download the Pieces desktop application from their official website. Once installed, you should add the browser extension and the plugin for your preferred code editor, like VS Code or IntelliJ. This allows Pieces to work seamlessly across your different tools. When you find a useful code block online, simply right-click and save it to Pieces. The AI will automatically tag the snippet, identify the language used, and even generate a helpful description for future reference. Within your code editor, you can pull up your saved snippets instantly without ever switching windows. This prevents you from losing your creative flow. You can also ask the built-in AI Copilot to explain complex logic or suggest improvements to your current files. It is like having a senior developer sitting right next to you at all times. Start using Pieces today to save time and write much cleaner code effortlessly.